Hello, my name is Marjorie Vega Diaz, and I'm going to tell you about the local culture Garzón. Iconic places. One of the most emblematic places in Garzón is the ancient house of Master Emiro Garzón, a place that aroused curiosity and admiration. Parks. This beautiful park offers ideal space for recreation in places like Parque Bolívar, Nazaret, Uniminuto, and La Agua. Residents and visitors will be able to enjoy nature. Attractive restaurant. Garzón stands out for its delicious gastronomic offer. Its restaurants such as Hacienda La Floresta, Restaurant Campestre San Joaquín, Casablanca Restaurant. Tourist attraction. Garzón is a tourist destination that dazzles with its diversity of nature attractions, such as el Balcón del Huila, Las Damas, Waterfoot, Monserrate. Visitors can enjoy Stone's landscape. Cultural identity. It is rich in cultural identity with community participation and tradition intertwined to form a vibrant social fabric. Local cuisine. A sign out for is delicious local cuisine where dishes such as tamales, empanadas, ham, chicken, sancocho are the protagonists. Festival and celebration. Events such as the popular festival and department range of youth and folklore and the fashion chain festival of San Miguel Arcángel. Thank you.